Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh has said the department is coming up with a bill to protect the fragile ecosystem of Meghalaya. Stating that more than footfall, the state government's emphasis is on high-value tourism. He added that the government wants to upscale the quality of visitors rather than the quantity of visitors. Lyngdoh on Tuesday also held a consultative meeting with all the stakeholders from the Khasi and Jaintia Hills region. He pointed out that the spending power of an average tourist in Meghalaya is roughly around 2,700 per day, and the government would like to scale it up to at least 5,000 a day.
We are also in the process of now coming up with a bill to protect the fragile ecosystem of Meghalaya. So to do that, we would have to ensure that we promote high-end tourism, high-value tourism. That will be, for instance, the spending power of an average tourist here in Meghalaya is roughly around 2,700 rupees a day. We would like to upscale it to at least 5,000 a day.
Health